This is my 2018 389 Peterbilt, custom built. Truck started off as ordered as a glider, no engine transmission in it. It was a plain white truck, and I'll put a 3406 E model cat engine in it, 18-speed transmission behind it. The truck's name is Touch of Class from the Past, so basically it's a new truck, and there's a lot of the older years gone by Peterbilt additions to the truck that I like personally. Like, I always liked the old three-piece front grille, but one of the problems this guy's had was trying to keep it shiny and polished and nice. So we started with the three-piece front grille surround made out of stainless steel. The stripe design was there's a old Boomerang Peterbilt paint scheme that was a factory paint scheme from years ago, and I didn't really want to just do that, so I want to do something a little different, but that's kind of the take on this. The door mounted mirrors on a 2018, we took the cab mounted mirror brackets off and put the old door mounted mirror brackets on it. They're like 7-inch straight pipes, stainless battery boxes, and I wanted the handles on the side so I can still get to the batteries, because this truck's a runner, you know, and you got to get to the batteries pretty easy, which the slip covers you can put on, but they're a little more of a pain to take off. And put bigger fuel tanks on it. They're 170-gallon dual fuel tanks. It's a 292-inch wheelbase with half fenders on 11R22.5 tires. Wanted to keep with the older theme on a new truck because I wanted the truck to be able to work every day. I looked for an old truck for years and never could find the right one, so I scrapped that idea and went to this option with buying a new truck and kind of making it look old, I guess, in a way. But I put the 359 style dash in it, or some guys call it a Corvette style dash, either or. Went with the straight up shifter in it, put the linkages in so the shifter straight up and down, kind of gives it a little more of a hot rod or kind of an old look in it. The floor is what they call an African teak wood. I always like the darker wood look, and that's kind of what we wanted to put. I feel like it was a little classier, you know, with the darker wood. And that is pretty much the high points of what we got here for this Touch of the Class from the Past truck.